Unlocking the power of Sora 2 directly on your PC can revolutionize your creative workflow. And today, we're diving deep into how you can harness this incredible AI for high-quality video generation. First things first, let's talk compatibility. While a direct, standalone desktop application for Sora 2 isn't currently available in the traditional sense, we can leverage its power through web-based interfaces and more advanced integration methods. Think of it less as a download and more as an accessible, high-performance tool. The most accessible way to experience Sora 2's capabilities on your PC is through authorized web platforms that integrate the AI. You'll typically access these through your web browser. The installation process is therefore about ensuring your browser is up-to-date and readily accepts web applications. Once you're on a compatible platform, the magic really begins with your prompts. The key to high-quality generation lies in detailed, descriptive text. Be specific about the scene, the characters, the mood, the camera angles, and even the desired visual style. For instance, instead of a dog running, try a golden retriever joyfully sprinting across a sun-drenched meadow, with a shallow depth of field blurring the background. When it comes to optimal settings, pay close attention to resolution, aspect ratio, and generation time. Higher resolutions and longer video durations will naturally require more processing power and time. Experiment to find the sweet spot that balances quality with efficiency for your specific project. By mastering prompt engineering and understanding the platform settings, you can transform your desktop into a powerful video creation studio, enhancing your visual narratives like never before. The future of storytelling is here, and it's more accessible than you think.